Are you tired of rice that's either too mushy, too crunchy, or burnt at the bottom? We've all been there. But what if I told you that you could have restaurant quality, perfectly fluffy rice every single time with just the touch of a button? Today, we're looking at a total game changer for your kitchen, the Zojirushi NP-HCC10XH Induction Heating Rice Cooker. This isn't just a kitchen appliance, it's a piece of advanced technology designed for the ultimate rice lover. If you're serious about your grains, you'll want to stick around to see why this might be the last rice cooker you'll ever need to buy. 0-30 to 115, the technology, the why. Now, what makes this different from the $30 cooker you find at the grocery store? It's all about the induction heating. Most standard rice cookers heat only from the bottom, but with this Zojirushi model, the entire inner cooking pan becomes the heat source. This allows for instant, precise temperature adjustments. What does that mean for you? It means the rice is cooked evenly from every single side, eliminating hot spots and cold spots. And let's talk looks. It features a sleek, stainless dark gray exterior with a clear-coated finish. It's fingerprint resistant and wipes clean in seconds. Inside, you've got a thick, spherical inner pan that's built to last and distribute heat perfectly. 115 to 215. Special features and versatility. This machine is incredibly versatile. Whether you love jasmine rice, short grain white rice, or even porridge, it has a dedicated setting for it. But the real star of the show? The GABA brown rice setting. If you're health conscious, you'll love this. This unique function keeps the brown rice at a specific temperature for 2 hours before cooking. This activates the rice, increasing its nutritional value and making it much softer and easier to digest. You also get the triple heater system. Heat comes from the bottom, the sides, and even the lid. This ensures that every grain from the top layer to the bottom is cooked to perfection. Need rice ready when you walk through the door? Just use the delay timer, set it in the morning, and come home to the smell of fresh, steaming rice. 215 to 245, cleaning and practicality. One of my favorite things is how long it keeps rice fresh. Most cookers dry out the rice after an hour, but Zojirushi's automatic keep warm and extended keep warm functions keep your rice at the perfect temperature for hours, sometimes even all day, without it getting yellow or hard. And when you're done, cleaning is a breeze. The inner lid is completely detachable and washable. No more gross starch buildup or weird odors. It's a 5.5 cup capacity cooker, which is the sweet spot for most families and meal preppers. 245 to 3. The verdict and CTA. So, is it worth the investment? If you eat rice frequently, the answer is a resounding yes. The Zojirushi NP-HCC10XH takes the guesswork out of cooking and delivers consistent, delicious results that a standard pot simply can't match. If you're ready to upgrade your kitchen game, check out the link in the description to get yours today. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more kitchen tech deep dives.